Copilot Notebooks Tutorial Beginners 2026. Microsoft has been adding AI capabilities to its products faster than most users can keep up with. And one of the most, you could say, genuinely useful additions that hasn't gotten enough attention is going to be Copilot Notebooks. Now, if you've used Jupyter Notebooks in a data science or academic context, the concept is pretty familiar. Now, a document where you can mix written text with executable code cells and see the output of that code inline. If you haven't, this tutorial will make it clear why that combination is so useful and how Copilot makes it accessible for beginners. So, Copilot Notebooks is Microsoft's AI enhanced notebook environment. It is accessible through Microsoft 365 and through Copilot's web interface. It combines the structure of a notebook, alternating sections of text and executable code with Microsoft Copilot's AI assistants, which can generate code for you, explain what code does, fix errors, and help you understand the full output. Now, the practical use cases for Copilot notebooks are going to span several different user types. Data analysts use notebooks to document their analysis process alongside the code that performs it. Students are going to use them for computational coursework, where showing your work is as important as the final answer. Business professionals use them for ad hoc data exploration without needing a full development environment. The Copilot layer makes all of these use cases more accessible by handling the code generation so you can focus on what you're trying to accomplish. So, access Copilot Notebook through your Microsoft 365 account. Okay, so if you have any 365 account, you're going to go ahead and sign into it. And once you're signed into it, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Copilot Notebooks directly. It's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. All you're going to need to do is you're going to make sure that you have a proper signed in account, an account that has the 365 suite. Okay, if you don't have the 365 suite, of course, you cannot work furthermore from there. You may also find it accessible through Microsoft Edge's browser's Copilot sidebar right here. So you might find it there, but you might just find it directly inside of your 365 suite, which you can find right here. So as you can see, I have my 365 suite here and it says find answers, dive deeper. Now here I'm going to click on create new notebook. So when you open Copilot notebooks for the first time, you'll see a clean interface with a new empty notebook. The notebook is going to consist of cells, blocks that contain either text or code. Text cells use markdown formatting for rich text. Code cells contain executable Python code and show the output directly below the cell when you run them. Now, a Copilot notebook is a document that tells a story and shows the work simultaneously. So let's say I'm going to call this test. Okay. Once this is done, we're going to click on create. Once you click on create, this creates our notebook. And here we have it. Okay. It's going to appear right in front of us just as so. Now, text cells and everything is going to work simultaneously. They're going to provide context, explanation, and interpretation. Code cells perform the actual computation. The two types alternate as needed. So when you explain what you're about to do in a text cell, do it in a code cell so you can see the output. Then interpret the results in another text cell. This structure makes notebooks particularly powerful for analysis work because the process is documented alongside the results. Someone reading your notebook 6 months later can understand not just what the answer was, but how you arrived at it and why you made the choices that you made. So, for collaborative work and for your own future reference, this documentation by structure is more durable than a separate document trying to describe what a piece of code does. Now, the beginner friendly part of notebooks is the AI code generation. Okay, so over here, we have the chat on the right side, and you can simply message Copilot. Okay, in any code cell, you can describe what you want to do in plain English. So let's say I could go ahead and say load the sales data CSV. Let's say group by product category, sum the revenue column, and display the result sorted from highest to lowest. Okay, you can simply go ahead and send that in. And what it does is you can add references or even a new page to all of this if you want to. It all depends on how you choose to work with the chat and how you choose to, pretty much use the coding capabilities that your notebook gives you. And of course, you can mind map it, you can study and structure it, and you can also add references that you want to work along with. So as you can see, you have tons and tons of references right here. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and enter this file right here. Okay. We're going to click on add. Once you click on add, this will be a new reference for you. Okay. A new content that has been added. Now over here, these cell blocks that are going to generate, you can literally quick create a mind map. You can quick create a study guide that is going to help you as you go on. Okay. Copilot is going to help you read all the descriptions, generate any type of code to do exactly whatever you want. And of course, coding inside of notebooks collaborated with one of the best AIs, Copilot, is going to work so efficiently. And for beginners, the most important habit is reading the code Copilot generates rather than just running it. You don't need to understand every line immediately, but developing a general sense of what the code is doing is going to build your ability to spot errors much easily. Okay. So as you can see, here is our notebook generated. Here is our notebook good to go. And you can pretty much use whatever you want. So provide detailed explanation, draft an abstract with 5 citations, etc. You can do all of these different kinds of things in your notebook as you go on. Then moving on, 3 use cases where beginners consistently find Copilot notebooks most immediately or useful are data exploration, document analysis, and automated reporting. So for data exploration, you can literally upload any spreadsheet like I did and use Copilot to help you understand what's in it. Summarize statistics, distribution charts, correlation analysis, and then there's document analysis where you can paste the text of a report, a collection of customer feedback, and you get that as well. For automated reporting, you can build a notebook that fetches data from a source, it processes it, and it generates charts and produces a formatted summary. Run it regularly to generate updated reports without actually rebuilding the analysis from scratch each time. Now, Copilot notebooks make computational notebooks accessible to people who previously found them intimidating because of the coding requirement. The AI code generation handles the syntax and structure. So that is the main idea of your general Copilot notebook. So if you enjoyed watching this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.